Hi, and welcome to Oasis Trading Institute. We teach our learners how to trade the Forex market from beginners level to advanced. Before I show you what we offer, it is important for you to understand that we are not investment or financial advisors. Our content are simply based on opinion from personal research and experience. Forex trading involves significant level of risk, therefore it is not suitable for all investors. It is important you understand the risk involved before venturing into Forex trading because your trading may result in profits and also may result in losses. Okay, with that being said, let's go straight to what we offer you in our training institution. Okay, so part one is introduction to financial market. You'll be saying what are financial markets. We're also going to be showing you the types of financial market as well as their definitions. We have the crypto market, the forex market, the stock market, the synthetic market, so on and so forth. We're going to be showing you all of this understanding, as well as we'll be teaching you market players, brokers, and proprietary firms trading platform. Also, we're going to be looking at understanding price charts. We'll be showing you our bulls and bears market, definition and types of price charts, and how to use MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. We're also going to be teaching you support and resistance as well as market execution types. And on the part two, we're going to be looking at market analysis, under which we have types of market analysis as well as price action, which is a deep study of price movement. We will be looking at SMC strategies, order blocks, and so on and so forth. Part three, risk management. We're going to be showing you trading plan. You need to know how to set up a trading plan. There are different kinds of trading plan. We have the simple interest trading plan as well as the compounding interest trading plan. We're also going to be showing you risk management rule and calculation as well as pip counts and leverage, and of course lot size. Yes, part four, trading psychology. Research shows that 95% of traders lose their account in their first 90 days. The reason being that they say that 95% of trading is psychological and only 5% is skill. Well, I kind of believe them. That is why we teach you how to overcome the five mind block in financial trading. And we also show you how to prepare for trade. There is an attitude to bring into trading. I will also show you that how to get the difference between greed and fear. There is a greed gauge and a fear gauge. We also give you that understanding. And of course, we give you the separation between investing and gambling in trading. We also talked about indicators and expert advisors as well as robots. How do you use them? These are things you're going to learn with us. And lastly, we're going to be showing you the beginner's strategy. A lot of people struggle in trading because they just copy strategies from mentors. They don't know how to set up their own strategy. So we're going to be teaching you how to set up your own strategy. And of course, we're also going to be supporting you with our own strategy in the market. So all you have to do right now, enroll with us. Click the link that is currently on our bio or the link that is currently on the description. There are different links on the description. You can see the link to enroll for classes. You can see the link to contact us. You can also see the link to enroll or register a trading account, either with HFM, Rocket S, or any broker that is provided in the description. Okay, so if you want to speak to any of us, you want to talk to any of our agents, all you have to do is to call the number or send us a WhatsApp. It is +27 6789 52326. Otherwise, you can simply subscribe to our YouTube and don't forget to follow us for more information that we'll be giving you. Or the best should be you just join our Telegram channel. Here we also provide one trading signal in a day. You don't want to miss that. Thank you. We look forward to having you as a part of Oasis Trading Institute. Have a good time.